Alright, it's KT again, and I'm doing a video how I spawn trapped on demolition. This is my team right now, Antrix, shout out. And my score, you can see, is 21-11. Now that's going to change real soon, because I just start beating up these guys. And so I'm just going to see, I'll play that out really right now. It's 21, right? Okay, I'm just going to start it. And yeah, you can see how it goes. My kill streaks are napalm, blackbird, and dogs. And this is a video how I spawn trap them. So you always want to pick up another gun, because Flak Jacket Pro is what you want to use instead of scavenger. So I'm always picking up guns, you'll see. Also, I use Sleight of Hand for perk 2 a lot, and then I use Marathon, Tactical Mask Pro, or Hacker Pro, usually. There's my napalm. Flak Jacket Pro makes me not get killed, so yeah. I just wait for them to spawn. I'll get Blackbird here real soon, and then I'll get dogs.
Friendly spy plane inbound. I'm out. Our Valkyrie's in the air. SR-71
There's my SR.
Our SR-71's in the air. Hostile RCXD spotted.
And there's dogs. I just ran away from that grenade, so I didn't get damaged or anything. I put out my dogs immediately because we have limited time, and I want to get as many kills as possible for my longest streak. Right now it's 40. I'll probably beat that later. I was pretty excited when I got the 40 kill streak so I could put this online, so I hope you enjoy this video.
SR-71's in the air.
Dogs are getting a lot of kills for me and getting a lot of kills for myself. Let's see how many kills. I'm already at 51. See, I was at 21, so I've already gotten that far.
Friendly spy plane inbound.
$57.
Enemy down. Friendly care package on the way.
And I'll have to tell you now, I didn't get all of this, the whole clip of my kill streak in one of my clips. So I'm gonna have to load another one. They destroy my tack so they know they're at A. And I want to make sure I get the left side. So I just go down there, check if they're spawning. Nope, they're probably all gone. I tell my teammates to go down to A and make sure they defuse that. They're all at A, they're trying to do it. And they got my chopper and everything. There we go. Then they defuse it. And I'm just, you know, that's my main area for spawn trapping. It's a really good spot. Throw my... There we go. There are not many over there. I was just about to go out, but I see him and I knife him. See, that's a bad sign. If he's in there, I have to get him out. Just kill him as soon as possible. He doesn't have a good gun. I was checking for that. I need more ammo. I think I run out and try to find a good gun. I'm gonna have to switch again. Oh no, bad decision to send a Huey then. You only have 10 seconds left.
Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
My streak continues to the next round as well.
Overtime. Demolition. Defend the objective.
I get everything reset, and I just keep going. Yep, I pick up the glue. I thought he was there, but I guess not, so.
Bomb is armed.
And I really want to keep up my streak, so I'm just very careful not to get damaged or anything.
Bomb is armed.
And that's where the thing ended. You see, he can pull out his knife. I'm gonna have to load another one, so just wait 1 second. I gotta place my iPod down. And I'll load my next one. Here, wait a second. And file share. And hit my next one. Alright, it loaded, and we're going. You see, I started out at 2111 deaths and 21 kills. And now let's check how much kills I have now without dying. There's just 1 minute more. I started back a little bit just in case. Alright, I got this 69 kills. And there it is. I kill him. Yep. Drama there going on. I still get him. Wait for them to defuse.
Bomb is armed.
I like to jump on that car a lot and just check right there to make sure I don't die. I get him and yep. I keep checking there just to make sure they don't spawn.
Bomb defused.
Or I want to kill them before my friends do. Yep, just looking around, being patient. You don't just rush or you get killed. Like I did here, I kind of rushed because I was impatient. 72.
Heads up, enemy RCXD.
They were taking all my kills, so I kind of just ran out. Kill him. I find the next guy and I start killing him. And that's where I got killed. 74 and 12. That's pretty sick. Anyways, see you later on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like it. Like my videos and tell your friends. See you later.